If Autocad is showing error code 85021, you're dealing with a licensing login failure, and in most cases, it's caused by outdated sign-in credentials or a corrupt Autodesk login component. The good news is that this is usually fixable without reinstalling Autocad. In this video, I'll walk you through the safest step-by-step fix so you can get back into your Autodesk apps as quickly as possible. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes. Let's jump in. First, let's clear the login cache. This is one of the most common fixes because AutoCAD and Autodesk Access can store old sign-in data that conflicts with your current account session. To do this, open File Explorer and paste this path into the address bar, %local app data, /Autodesk, /web services, /. Inside that folder, look for a file called LoginState.xml. Delete that file. Don't worry, this is just a cached sign-in file, and deleting it forces Autodesk to create a fresh login state the next time you sign in. Once that's done, the next step is to repair Microsoft Edge WebView 2 Runtime. Autodesk uses WebView 2 for parts of the sign-in and licensing process, so if it's damaged or outdated, you can run into error 85021. Open Windows Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps or Apps and Features. Depending on your version of Windows, search for Microsoft Edge WebView 2 Runtime, click the three dots or the entry itself, and choose Repair. Let the repair finish completely before moving on. After that, make sure your Autodesk Identity Manager is up to date. This is the component that handles sign-in and licensing for Autodesk products, so an older version can absolutely trigger login errors. Go to the Autodesk support site, download the latest version of Autodesk Identity Manager, and install it over the existing one. If Windows asks for permission, allow it. When the installer finishes, wait for the update to complete fully before opening AutoCAD again. Now let's check your system time, because even a small clock mismatch can break secure sign-in authentication. Open your Windows date and time settings and make sure set time automatically is turned on. Also make sure your time zone is correct. If your date time or region is off, Autodesk may reject the login attempt and keep showing error 85021. After turning on automatic time, give Windows a moment to sync properly. Finally, restart the whole sign-in process. Open Autodesk and Access, sign out of your Autodesk account completely, then restart your PC. A full restart helps clear any lingering login services and reload the repaired components. After the restart, open Autodesk Access again, sign back in with the same Autodesk account linked to your license, and then launch AutoCAD to test it. If everything was done correctly, the error should be gone, and your Autodesk login should work normally again. If you still see the issue, double-check that LoginState.xml was removed, WebView 2 was repaired, and Identity Manager was updated successfully. In many cases, one of those steps is the missing piece. I hope this helped you fix AutoCAD error code 85021. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more AutoCAD troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.